today, you're going to be adding polynomials. In example 1, we're going to add 3x plus 4 to 2x plus 1. Since this is adding, these parentheses really aren't going to make a difference. We can just work from left to right and write 3x plus 4 plus 2x plus 1. And then it pretty much is like the last lesson where you're just combining like terms to simplify it. So we're going to go ahead and put the 3x and the positive 2x together. 3x plus positive 2x is 5x. And then the positive 4 and the positive 1 will be combined together to be 4 plus 1, which is 5, giving us a final answer of 5x plus 5. Example 2. Again, since it's adding, we don't really need to do anything special. I'm just going to rewrite it without the parentheses. And now go ahead and combine like terms. There isn't anything that can go with that x squared, so we're just going to write down 2x squared. Then we're going to move on to the x's. Negative 4x plus a negative 2x. Negative 4x plus a negative 2x is negative 6x, so we're going to write down minus 6x. And then we have a positive 2 and another positive 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So plus 4, giving us a final answer of 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. At this point, you might want to pause the video and try those next two examples and restart it once you're done. I'm going to go ahead and solve the first one. X squared plus x minus 3 plus 3x squared minus 4. Combine like terms. We have this 1x squared and the positive 3x squared for a total of 4x squared. Next we'll move on to the x term. There's only one of those, so we'll just go ahead and write plus x. And now negative 3 and negative 4, when you add those together, negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7, so we'll write down negative 7. So our final answer is 4x squared plus x minus 7. For the next one, negative 2x squared minus x plus 1. And then we're going to add a negative x squared minus 3x. Combine like terms. Put the x squareds together. Negative 2x squared and a negative 1x squared. When you add those together, you get a negative 3x squared. Then we're going to move on to the x term. We have a negative 1x and a negative 3x. Negative 1x plus a negative 3x is negative 4x. And lastly, we have a positive 1. Nothing to put with that, so just plus 1. Negative 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is the final answer. In example 3, we have x squared minus 3, and then we're going to add an x squared, a minus 2x, and a plus 1. Go ahead and combine like terms. We have a 1x squared and another 1x squared for a total of 2x squared. And next we'd put the x term. Nothing to put with that one, so just write it as it is, minus 2x. And then the last thing is the negative 3 plus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, so minus 2. So our final answer would be 2x squared minus 2x minus 2. Example 4, negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus an x squared minus an x and plus 4. Go ahead and combine like terms. Negative 2x squared plus 1x squared is a negative 1x squared or negative x squared. Positive 3x and a negative 1x. Positive 3x plus a negative 1x is 2x. And then a positive 2 plus a positive 4 ends up being plus 6. So the final answer is negative x squared plus 2x plus 6. Our last example has to do with finding the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter, remember, is the distance around a figure. So you're going to walk around this figure and we're going to figure out how far you walk. So it's simply adding 2x plus x plus 5 plus 2x minus 3. So 2x plus x plus 5 plus 2x minus 3. Now we want to go through and combine like terms. We want to put the x terms together. I have a 2x, I have a positive 1x, and a positive 2x. 2x plus 1x plus another 2x, that's a total of 5x. And then our plus 5 and our negative 3. Positive 5 plus a negative 3 is a positive 2. So the perimeter of this triangle is 5x plus 2.